How to fix blurry Instagram Reels. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guy. In this guide video, I will show you the way on how you can actually fix blurry Instagram Reels. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now your Instagram Reels could be blurry for various reasons. When you're trying to upload a reel, or let's say you're trying to watch somebody's reel, there could be multiple reasons as to why you're facing the blurry Reels Instagram issue, and there are a couple of ways how you can actually work around it, even when you go ahead and record it and then you notice that your Reels is a bit blurry. The very first thing you want to do is just simply make sure that your internet connection is not relatively slow. So make sure that you have a very fast and reliable internet connection. Try to use other social media apps as well. The other thing I would also recommend you to do is to adjust some Instagram settings like I do. So go to your profile page, tap on the three lines on the top right, and then go to settings. Once you go to settings, go ahead and tap on account, and as you tap on account, go to mobile data use. So in your case, it could be written as data usage or cellular data use or anything similar to that, but just go to something that says mobile data usage. And over here, first of all, if you always upload reels from your data, I want you to simply go ahead and turn off data saver. So even when you're watching somebody's reels or when you're trying to post your own reel, if you have data saver turned on, it's basically going to fix and then blur some of the pictures in order to save data. The other thing you can also see over here, it says media upload quality and it says upload at highest quality. So you want to make sure that this toggle is actually turned on. If it is turned on, it is going to be highlighted in blue. If it is turned off, it is basically going to remain grayed out. If you read over there, it says always upload the highest quality photos and videos, even if uploading takes longer. When this is off, we will automatically adjust upload quality to fit internet connection. So I want you to actually simply turn this toggle on, because when this is turned off, your Instagram app is going to automatically adjust the quality of your videos based on the strength of your internet connection. But basically, even if uploading takes longer, we always want a best video quality, so make sure to simply turn this toggle on. And now you could go to Reels and try to upload or record something, and now this time you'll notice that it is in a fairly and very important and big size. And this is how you can fix blurry Instagram Reels. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.